Today we're going to discuss a few simple steps on how to get your illumaLED touch dimmer kit installed. Let's get right into it. The core component of this kit is our touch dimmer switch. It allows you to reduce both the complexity and the cost of your kit compared to our wireless dimming kit options. Here's how the touch dimmer switch fits into the existing lineup of a standard kit. By removing both the wireless dimmer and wireless receiver and replacing them with a simple switch, cost is reduced dramatically. Now that we've taken a look at the components, let's see how they fit together in an installation. Begin by connecting the provided female barrel connector to the male barrel connector coming from your power supply. Use the screwdriver to connect your wire to the female barrel connector. Be sure to maintain polarity, connecting the black wire to the negative port and the red wire to the positive port. Make sure your wire is properly run. In this situation, I'm running from the receptacle above the microwave. I'm also pulling the wire down between the cabinet and the microwave. For best connection, strip the ends of the wire, then twist them together and fold them over. Now, connect your wires to the male barrel connector, being sure once again to maintain polarity. Once the male barrel connector has been prepared, connect it to the female barrel connector of the touch dimmer switch. Now, connect the second female barrel connector to the male barrel connector from the touch dimmer switch. From here, connect your wire that will lead to the tape, once again maintaining polarity. Next, insert the tape into the end of the provided 8mm connector and screw down the associated screw terminals. You'll see the 12-volt positive marking on your tape light. Connect the red wire to the screw terminal on that side. The black wire connects to the negative terminal on the opposite side. Once the wires have been inserted into their proper terminals, use the included screwdriver to tighten the screws. Now it's time to install the touch dimmer and tape lighting. Begin by placing the included adhesion pad on the back of the touch dimmer switch. Peel back the protective coating and remove the faceplate of the touch dimmer switch. Adhere the touch dimmer switch to the bottom of the cabinet and then screw it into place. Replace the faceplate. In this installation, we're attaching the tape light to the back of the face frame for continuous light. Pull the tape light tight, then slide your fingers across the tape for firm adhesion to the surface. Tighten and secure your wires, then plug the power supply into the receptacle. To use the touch dimmer, simply press once lightly and the lights will come on. Press and hold the button to dim the lights. Press once again and the lights will go off. Here's how your kitchen can look with the touch dimmer kit installed. Different Kelvin temperatures affect the surfaces of your kitchen in varying ways, so be sure to choose the Kelvin temperature that's right for you.